Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to start on my patio. I'm definitely ready to start adding pieces. They're slowly but surely coming in, but first I wanted to show you guys what it looked like before. It has a lot of stains on it. It also didn't come out just perfect, and of course concrete isn't perfect, but I wanted it to look a lot better than what it does right now. I wanted it to be more smooth, so I went and purchased this concrete gray paint from Lowe's, and I used about 2 cans to do the entire patio. Now I am in love with these egg swings. I have been obsessing over them. I've even used them in some of my other designs for clients that I've been working with. So I definitely had to put it in my own backyard. And I purchased it from Pier 1. You guys, Pier 1 is going out of business. Do you hear me? I was able to get these chairs 50% off. So I only paid $2.25 for them. And I just felt like that was a steal. And let's just give a huge thank you to Mr. Barnett. Like, he come through for me. Like, I just be buying stuff and he can definitely get it up for me. So I am so grateful, and he's so helpful. My own personal little handyman. So now you're just seeing him take it out of the packaging that it came in. We was able to get it shipped to the store, and the store called us today and said, hey, your shipment has arrived. Come pick it up. I was too ready. I have been waiting on this forever. Now you're going to see my husband just measure the space to where we're going to hang it. I want to make sure that they are an equal distance apart. And my nephew is helping us out by doing just a little bit of cleaning. You know, I don't want it to be all leaves and stuff. So he's sweeping them off so that it will be perfect. So now this is the fun part where we are going to watch Mr. Barnett actually secure it to the deck above. And we make sure it is in a 2x4 so that it can support not only the swing, but anybody that sits in the swing. And voila. So of course y'all know I had to go over there and try it out, honey. I could not resist because, I mean, I've been waiting forever, so I had to sit there. And it did a really good job. So of course, you guys, this is part 1. Part 2 will go up as soon as my sectional arrives. I cannot wait because I have been ordering stuff like a crazy person. And I wanted to go ahead and reveal my color scheme, which is coral, white, and dark gray. And y'all know whenever you filming, honey, everybody want to come outside. Don't nobody want to stay in the house. Everybody want to be outside to see what's happening. And there you have it, you guys. That is the end of part 1. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in part 2. Bye.